Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this bubu gown with a v-neckline and a sequins design. So I made use of 4 yards of Ankara fabric, 1 yard of sequins. But what I did was I placed the two back and the front together. So what I'll be doing is to mark 1 inch at the right hand side, which will serve as my shoulder slope, and my neck wideness, which is 3.5, and my shoulder, which was 8. Then I'll mark half an inch for my shoulder allowance, then take it down to my waist, as you can see me doing so right now. Then from my waist to my hip measurement, I'll be marking that too. So I'll just be trying to link the points together and my shoulder allowance together. So you can see me doing so right now. So I'm linking it to that 1 inch, which will serve as my shoulder slope. So after doing that, I will measure how deep I want my armhole to be, to get. So what I'll be doing now is to mark my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 4 inches. Then I'll just be adding 1 inch for allowance. So just trying to cross check if the measurements are correct. So I'm marking that same measurement on my hip measurement and down to my full length. That's what I'll be doing. So after I'm done doing that, I'll just be linking the marks together, as you can see me doing so right now. Then I'll mark it out. Then at that point, I'll come out with 1.5 inch, then make my slope there, which will serve as my armhole. Then I'll go down to how deep I want my neckline to be, my V neckline, which is 8. So I'll mark it at the back, how wide I want my neckline to be, that's 3.5. Then I'll come down with 1 inch. So what I'll be doing is to cut it out, shoulder slope out. So you can see I did it. So I'll just be cutting this other side out. So I'll just be cutting my back neckline and my front neckline out. So this is how the front looks. This is the neckline. So I'll just bring my sequins. Those are the sequins. This part will be using the 1 yard of sequins, everything. So I'm just trying to mark my starting point because the top was not relaxing. So I just tried to secure it with my safety pin. Then came down with 20 inches, which will be serves as a half inch, but the full length will be 19. Then I'll mark my shoulder measurements there and my neckline. So I'll go down by 8. That's how deep it should be. Then I'll just slant it, as you can see me doing so. So I'll just be cutting it out. And from that point, I'm trying to link it to give it that V effect design. So I'm just trying to link it. Then I'll just take my scissors and cut it. So this is how it's going to look. So I'll just be placing it. So this is it. So this is how it's going to look after folding it, turning it at the neckline. But I just want to show you how it will look first. So guys, this is it. So I will show you how you're going to turn it so that it will like be at the front. So I just turn my fabric on the wrong side, then the sequence to the wrong side. you can see me. So I'll just be sewing it with 1/2 inch. I'm just trying to secure it because the sequence is kind of stretchy, so I'm just turning it, like keeping it safe with my safety pin. So I'm sewing it with a 1/2 inch. So this is how it looks, and I just secure it with my safety pin. Then I'll be putting this velvet bias on it. Then I'll cut it, and I'll still put the other one on it, then overlap it at the ending. So guys, this is how it's looking after doing so. So I just joined my shoulders together. So for the sleeve, I'll be showing you what I did for that. So I just cut a velvet sequins, which is 12, because I want it to be 6 inches long, because I'm going to be turning it. Then the wideness of my sleeve, then I'll just sew it to my sleeve like this, and I'll turn it over. So this is looking after I was done putting the sequins. So I'll just be shaping it with 1 inch. So guys, this is how it looks now after I was done. So if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.